Hey there, foodies! Remember when everyone was stuck at home and everybody was making fancy coffee? That was Dalgona Coffee. This frothy, creamy coffee drink took the internet by storm, and for good reason. It's easy to make, totally Instagrammable, and absolutely delicious. Today we're gonna make it together. You ready? Let's get brewing. Dalgona Coffee is like a party in your mouth. It's sweet, it's strong, and it's got that gorgeous layered look that'll make your friends jealous. The best part? You only need a few simple ingredients to make it. So grab your apron, put on your chef's hat, because we're about to whip up some magic. Before we start whipping, let's round up our ingredients. You only need a few things to make this magical coffee drink. Don't worry, you probably already have most of them in your kitchen. Ready for a grocery list? Here we go. Instant coffee. This is our secret weapon for that strong coffee flavor. Sugar. A little sweetness to balance out the bitterness. Hot water. To dissolve the coffee and sugar and get things going. Milk. Choose your fighter. Whole milk, almond milk, oat milk, whatever you like. Ice. To keep things cool and refreshing. Now, for our tools. Don't worry, we're not talking fancy espresso machines here. All you need is a whisk, a bowl, and a glass. That's it. See? Easy peasy. All right, coffee lovers, let's get this party started. Making Dalgona coffee is super easy. It's like a fun science experiment that you get to drink. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be sipping on a cloud of coffee goodness in no time. Combine and whisk. In your bowl, mix together equal parts instant coffee, sugar, and hot water. We usually do 2 tablespoons of each, but you can adjust to your liking. Now here comes the fun part. Whisk, whisk, whisk that mixture until it becomes nice and thick. It should be light brown and hold its shape. This takes a little bit of muscle, but trust me, it's worth it. Milk it up. Fill your glass with ice. Then, pour in your favorite milk. Leave some space at the top for our star of the show, the whipped coffee. Coffee cloud time. Gently spoon that gorgeous whipped coffee mixture on top of your milk. Go slowly. You want to create a beautiful layered look. Snap and sip. Take a picture because it looks amazing. Then mix that coffee cloud into your milk and take a sip. Congratulations. You just made Dalgona coffee. Section 4. Some top tips for Dalgona delights. Alright, now that you're basically a Dalgona master, let me share some of my personal tips to make your coffee even more amazing. Trust me, these little tricks make all the difference. Don't skimp on the whisking. The key to that perfect cloud-like texture is all in the whisking. It takes a bit of arm workout, but the result is totally worth it. If you have a hand mixer, you can use that too to make your life easier. Adjust the sweetness to your liking. Some folks like their coffee sweeter, some like it less sweet. You do you. Taste your whipped coffee mixture before you layer it and add more sugar if needed. Get creative with your milk. I love using whole milk, but you can totally experiment with different types of milk. Almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk, they all work great. Don't be afraid to experiment with flavors. We'll talk more about this in the next section, but the possibilities are endless. Section 5. Spice up your coffee life flavors and variations. Okay, so you've mastered the classic Dalgona coffee. Now it's time to let your inner barista run wild. This drink is like a blank canvas for flavor, so don't be afraid to get creative. Here are a few ideas to get you started. Chocolate Dream. Add a teaspoon of cocoa powder to your coffee mixture while whisking. Top with chocolate shavings for an extra dose of chocolatey goodness. Minty Fresh. Mix in a drop of peppermint extract to your whipped coffee for a refreshing twist. Spice Delight. A pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg in your coffee mixture adds a warm, cozy vibe. Perfect for chilly mornings. These are just a few ideas to get you started. The possibilities are endless, so go ahead, experiment, and find your new favorite Dalgona creation. Don't forget to share your masterpieces with me on social media.